to add and subtract positive and negative integers. This is a reality, okay? And that's the reason most people miss this. So that may not be you, that may not be that 25%, but the other ones will struggle. So I'm speaking to you, which is the majority of your class. Okay, let's walk through this. And I want you to be able to do this with ease and without the calculator. And it works, I promise. If you play along with me and you do it like the way I tell you, it does work, okay? So there's only 4 ways you can spin the signs, okay? They either have to be both positive, one could be positive, one could be negative, or vice versa. This one could be negative, this one could be positive. And then the only 4th way you can like combine the signs, right, is if they're both negative. So I want you to play along with me. The sign to the left, this is important, the sign to the left does come with the number. Okay, so that's one package, that's one package. This comes together, and so on and so on. Okay, now I want you, and here's the key to this, I want you to think of money. Okay, we like money, everybody deals with money, and you're not gonna mess up money because it's your money. Okay, if it's a positive number, we have to pretend that it's money that's in your pocket. Okay, if it's a negative number, it's money that you owe. Okay, and I know if you know this, you're gonna be like, this is so easy, but most students struggle with this. So if you do it this way, you won't mess it up. Okay, so let's play with this real quick. This first scenario would say I have $1 in this pocket because it's positive, and I have $14 in this other pocket, right? But they're both mine because they're both positive. So from my perspective, I have $15, right? Because they're both mine, okay? Now the second scenario is more interesting. I have $1 to my name in my wallet, just $1. I owe her $14. Okay, you gotta think like pretend real life. So if I really did owe you $14 and I only had $1, can I pay you all of it? No, but I could give you my $1. Okay, I could repay that dollar. Am I still gonna owe you? How much? 13. So, but it's still owed. So it's still negative because I still owe her that money. Okay. This scenario is different. I have $14 in my wallet and I owe her $1. So I can pay her the $1, right? Do I have money left over? Absolutely. But it's my money this time. So positive 13. Okay. The last scenario is I owe her $1 and I owe him $14. So from my point of view, I owe a lot of money, right? I owe both of those quantities, so I owe $15. I know it's silly, guys, and it may seem like dumb or something, but if you really do think about money like that, you won't miss these problems ever again. And it's always when you're adding or subtracting positive and negative numbers, just think of money, okay? Okay, I can't